Security video shows recreation time for inmates, but watch this guy, looking up, following something. He wanders around for 20 seconds. Then he grabs for something falling from the sky. Soon as it hits the ground, he covers it. Investigators say a drone dropped a phone and marijuana. Dropped that into the Cuyahoga County Jail Euclid complex. Happened in June. Not discovered until days later. A report also shows suspected drugs, phones, and other items previously found on the roof. This video just released to the I-Team. We showed some of you.
Wow. That's not good.
You know, there's a new generation of people going to jail now, so they're going to find a way to do something.
Sheriff's deputies just finished the investigation into the drone delivery, sent the case to Cuyahoga County prosecutors. Barbed wire at the top of walls and fences, that certainly won't stop someone from flying over and dropping something inside a complex. In fact, the I-Team has found lockups nationwide making headlines for incidents with drones. And that now has jailers talking about what they need to do.
If it happened there, it can happen anywhere.
Erie County Sheriff Paul Sigsworth. He says anyone holding prisoners has to be aware of this. Plus, in recent years, a drone dropped drugs into a prison yard in Mansfield. A drone crashed with drugs and hacksaw blades at a prison in Oklahoma. And security spotted a drone flying over a Pennsylvania prison, maybe trying to get a glimpse of celebrity inmate Bill Cosby. More and more cases.
You try to stay one step ahead as best you can. But again, that also goes along with learning from incidents that have occurred not only locally but also nationally.
Back in Euclid, notice no one reacted when that inmate saw a delivery from the sky. We're watching for criminal charges tied to this.